Hello friends, vanakkam and welcome to Auckland Tamil Samayal. Today we're gonna see the very easy, simple breakfast or snacks recipe which is called rolled pancake. It's green in color, or you can also make it in white in color without any color. Let's see how to make it. For that I've taken 1.5 cups of plain flour, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon, and a little bit of oil and half teaspoon of sugar. Now we're gonna whisk it nicely so that without any lumps all the sugar and salt will get melted. So do it very watery, see, like this, not too thin batter or not too thick also, like a very pouring consistency. We're gonna make some fillings. For that I took the jaggery or palm sugar, whatever will do. To melt it, it's just a hack. I keep it in the microwave for just 20 seconds. So it will get softened, so it's easy to melt in the water too. Otherwise it will take another 2 to 3 minutes to melt in the direct water. Look at that. It's already little bit melted, oozing out. Now you can put it in a saucepan and pour some water. Now I can show you, look at that, if I touch, how brittle it is. So like that, it's easy way to break down the jaggery or palm sugar. Now keep it in a fire, slow flame. Wait until melt, no need to boil, just wait until melt, because we are going to filter those water to remove if there is any impurities. Here we go. After pouring this, just give it a wash, the saucepan, then pour back that jaggery water into it. Now you're gonna give it a boil. Look at the impurities inside it. Good, we strained it before we making a stuff. Now let it boil for a while and then add the desiccated coconut into it. I added 2 cups. You can add according to your sweetness. If you want lots of sweetness, you can add 1.5 cups. Just it's a equal quantity of sugar and jaggery and the coconut. I add a bit of elaichi powder. Actually this is the Indonesian pancake. They didn't add anything, but it's our Indian version. We always like cardamom in our food. You can add a little bit of ghee on the top of it, or you can avoid it. For now I'm gonna add some fried nuts. I got some flaked almonds, so I'm gonna add it. You can add the cashew nuts, kismis, or other things like pistachio, any nuts you can add according to your taste. I had some flaked almonds, so I'm gonna add with it. I'm gonna add along with that coconut jaggery mixture. See, it's getting nice and thicker, ready for stuffing. Now you can keep it aside. We're gonna make the pancake now. You can use the spray oil or you can use a little brushing oil. Today I'm using the canola spraying oil, so that you can use very little oil. Here is the batter. First I'm gonna show you without adding any color. Then you can add some green color or the pandan leaves flavored color. Here we go. You no need to do anything, just pour the batter and take the pan and swirl it around. Look at that. You no need to add any extra oil or anything. Just it's done, it gonna slide down from the pan to the plate. Now you're gonna keep the stuffings inside. And roll it. Roll it according to your creativity. Anything will do. Here I'm rolling like a parcel. You have to do rolling immediately straight from the pan so that it will stick and stay like that. Otherwise, once it's dried out or cooled down, it will keep opening up. So do it right away. You can ask help from your children. They can be very excited to doing this too. Look at that, so yummy. Pancake is ready without color. Now it's another version we're going to make with the color. I add a little bit of green color. The traditional Indonesian pancake is the green color because they're adding the pandan leaves flavor. Today I haven't got the pandan leaves flavor, so I'm adding a bit of green color into it. So just make it as a round, I'm adding little more bit. And I'm gonna show you the end. See how it's rolling from the side. Just cook it in a low flame, not too low, medium flame. No need to use the spoon to flip it or anything. Look like a banana leaf. It looks really colorful and appetizing. I think it's better to add color. You can add any color to make the children's satisfying. Any food color will do. See, I'm gonna make it immediately so that it will stick like this. Here we go. Nice and yummy rolled pancake is ready. Thanks.